Something is really surprising on my new team. I noticed that most of my teammates aren't using AI agents. And I think the way that I work now is where engineering is headed. Let me walk you through. What does my workflow look like on a day to day? Once I know what or why needs to be done, I let AI do the heavy lifting. If it's like I am the brain and I orchestrate AI agents like GitHub Copilot agent mode, ChatGPT agents and skills to actually do the work. They're like the hands that make the operation happen, but I need to understand what needs to be done and why. The skill is not actually writing the code or deploying the code, having the perfect syntax. It's about understanding why that piece or that part or this implementation needs to happen and why they all fits together. Because without this understanding, then nothing really happens. AI can just generate things that seem to work but never solves the problem. That doesn't implement the solution that our team or the enterprise needed to achieve. The judgment part is where AI is lacking. It can make decisions, but it is not accurate because it doesn't have the full context, the background knowledge. So once I can orchestrate, I understand what needs to be placed where and why. I shouldn't type them all myself, or I shouldn't do it all myself, but I can leverage AI and agents to orchestrate the entire workflow for me. My teammates actually have years of context and a lot of system understanding, a lot of background, and they know why the decision or how it has been implemented. And this is where I'm learning from. This is where I lack their experience. But the engineer who has all the background knowledge and who has the judgment and outsource the work to AI agents and orchestrate the AI agents to perform the work will outperform the engineers who do everything by hand. And I think the future is that the engineers who leverage AI will replace with the engineers of those who don't leverage AI and do everything themselves. The engineers need to build the judgment and the background by doing the learning and all of the understanding for the background themselves. AI can speed up the process, but we, the engineers, have to do the actual learning, the actual growth, and then we can let AI to delegate and we can let AI to implement what we want it to do. Are you the orchestrator or are you still doing everything by hand? No wrong answers. I want to hear it. And leave a comment below. Let me know if I'm building a skills gap that I'll regret later or I'm right about this. And subscribe if you want an honest version of navigating through AI in our workplace.